head to your pickup at Starbucks Cloverdale.
Yeah.
Square meters, it is twice the size. Grand Mall
Order tayo.
is 2 million square meters. It means something else, right? It's really just
Pwede na yan, palapit sa work.
Turn right on 57 Avenue, then turn right on
Basta
175
palapit
Street.
sa trabaho, kunin agad dyan. Tapos dun sa area na pagdadropan, alam ko na yung lugar na yun. May Starbucks dun, tsaka McDonald's. So pwede pa tayo mag-pick up. So, tara, kunin natin itong unang order.
Wala sa isang classroom. Tapos may natira lang na isang bata by at 2:17 AM except sa isang bata. Ano na yung mga multo na may CGI, medyo nawawala yung takot ko.
I'm getting like M. Night Shyamalan vibes.
Hi, pick up for Felicia. Thank you.
No.
damn it, I'm old. Because everybody does it. I understand that Filipinos are kind of very popular for saying sir and ma'am, maybe a little too
Dealing with clients na US, baka di sila familiar sa
Drop off on the left.
Kami ng boss mo, ma'am and sir.
Kami ng bahay.
So tawag mo, boss ang tawag doon, you have to follow. O ano pamilya, komportable,
Bahay ba ito o ano?
hindi ka umalis. Ibig sabihin,
Mansion
papasok
to.
doon, yung sundin mo.
It's the advice. It's the advice.
Good morning.
Look, unless you
Felicia.
the company's not doing very
Thank
well,
you.
all of that stuff, you just kind
Oh,
of
good night.
decide that
I'm morning, sorry.
He says,
$5. Tip ka ha. Laki ng bahay mo. Bahay ba to o opisina? Next.